What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress Themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to make your Windows computer, your Windows PC, your Windows laptop, your Windows notebook start up faster. So the process of starting up your computer can be faster. You can optimize this for free following these simple guides. Okay, you have two things to do in order to make it really faster. Okay, and makes you save time and do not feel angry once you need to wait a lot of time starting your computer every single time. But before you can start, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics, okay? So let's get this started. Make sure that you be part of our Visualmodo family, okay? And let's get this started. First of all, go to our computer and into the search field we're gonna type Control Panel, okay? So right here, Control Panel, this app, we're gonna open this up, and from here we're gonna move to Hardware and Sound, okay? And from here we're gonna review the power options. The power options are present independently if you are using a laptop or using a normal Windows computer, okay? A desktop normal, okay? A PC. So click on power options and review this left sidebar of options, okay? Control Panel Home. Choose what the power button do, okay? Click on it. And from here, as you can see, my option is already marked, but this is the most important part for your setup, okay? You have to select this option. If you have this unselected, it may explain a lot why your computer takes ages to start up, takes ages to turn on, okay? So turn on fast startup recommended, okay? So this is very good, okay? This helps Windows to turn on faster. Click on it and click on Save Changes if you do not have clicked on this already. After it is made, in my case, I'm gonna just cancel this, okay? Because I already have this on. But after it is made, we're gonna use the Task Manager, okay? So go to the search once again, and into the search field, you're gonna type Task Manager, okay? This app right here, click on it. This app shows you all of the programs that are currently in use on your computer. But if you go right here at this tab right here called Startup, you can see the programs that starts up among your computer startup process, okay? So for example, I have no need to start up iTunes Music when I start up my computer, so I can click on it, hover this, click with the right button of my mouse and hover over, click on Disable, okay? So now the iTunes Music, it's now disabled. This will no longer takes computer hunt, takes computer engine to start up among to my computer. So if I disable this, I'm gonna make my startup process faster, okay? This is not hard. You can see there's a lot of programs that try to install among your computer installation, and we can simply disable. It's really simple, okay? They complete the startup impact, okay? So from the higher to the lower, okay? And I recommend that if you are not using, for example, I'm not using Cortana, for example, I can disable. Simple as it is. This helps us a lot in order to gain speed. And basically it's all we have to do after it is made. All we have to do is close this and we are good to go, okay? And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below. And in the case that you are using WordPress and would like to expand your website features with more widgets, elements, templates and tools, go to your WordPress dashboard, plugins, add new, search for borders, click on install and activate it. This is our free WordPress plugin and gives you a lot of options, okay? Moreover, in the case that you are in need of the best WordPress theme in order to create your landing page, website, blog, store based on WordPress, go to your WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, add new, search for Anzu, click on install and activate it, okay? It's completely yours, brings you pre-built websites that you can import with a single click and many more amazing features. Moreover, in the case that you want your site up and running faster, fully optimized, counting on our support, premium icon package, premium widgets, blocks, templates, and tools kit, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and go premium in order to unlock full access to our library of pre-built websites, sections, pages, templates, and things that you can make on your site really fast, okay? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know into the comments if you know other tips on Windows in order to make it faster. And I see you tomorrow. All the best.